Students, in this video I am going to explain question number A of exercise 12.1. It's a fill in the blank. See the first statement. I have rupees 196. I spend rupees 98. Then I am left with how much? Here we are asked to find out the money left. So to find out the money left, we need to subtract 98 rupees from the amount 196. Here you can see the subtraction and answer we got 98. So I am left with how much? 98 rupees. Now coming to the second. Nidhi bought a pencil for rupees 2.50. 2.50 means 2 rupees 50 paise. Digit which comes before the decimal point we read as a rupees, and digit which comes after the decimal point we read as a paise. And she bought an eraser for rupees 1.50, that is 1 rupees 50 paise. So how much she paid? See, in this statement it is given the cost of pencil is 2 rupees 50 paise and the cost of eraser is 1 rupees 50 paise, and we are asked to find out total amount she paid. So to find the total amount we need to add 2 rupees 50 paise and 1 rupees 50 paise. Children, here you can see I have written both the amount in column. While writing the amount or while writing the numbers in column, you should be careful that decimal point should come in a one line. They should come one below another. Now addition is as per our regular method. You can see 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10. From 10, here I have written 0 and carry over 1 to the next place. Then here you can see the decimal point in the number or in the amount. So just below this decimal point, we have to put the decimal point in the answer as well. Okay. Then we add 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. So here the addition comes 4.00. Now 0 after the point has no meaning. So we say that it's a 4 rupees. So how much she paid? 4 rupees. Now coming to the third one. A pen cost rupees 10.25, that is 10 rupees 25 paise. Then how much will 3 pen cost? See, here the cost of 1 pen is given, which is 10 rupees 25 paise, and we are asked to find out the cost of 3 pen. So here to find the cost of 3 pen, we need to multiply the cost of 1 pen by 3. So see the multiplication. 5 3s are 15. From 15 here I have written 5 and carry over 1 to the next place. Then we multiply 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6 and 6 plus 1 7. After that we multiply 0 and 3. 0 into 3 0. And at the last we multiply 1 and 3. 3 1s are 3. Now children, here you can see in this number there is a decimal point after 2 digits from right. So in the answer as well we need to put decimal point after 2 digits from right. So the product is 30.75. So what will be the cost of 3 pen? The cost of 3 pen will be 30 rupees 75 paise. Now the fourth statement. 6 bus ticket cost rupees 60.60. Then what is the cost of 1 ticket? See, here the cost of 6 tickets is given. How much it is? 60 rupees 60 paise. And we are asked to find out the cost of 1 ticket. Now to find the cost of 1 ticket, we need to divide 60.60 by 6. Children, you can see the division. Here I have divided 60.60 by 6. Now see. 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 0 will come down. 0 is less than 6. So how many times 6 goes into 0? 0 times. So here I have written 0 in the quotient, and 0 minus 0, 0. Then after the 0 in the dividend, you can see there is a decimal point. So we need to put decimal point in the quotient just above it. Then 6 will come down. Again 6 1s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. And at the last this 0 will come down. Now how many times 6 goes into 0? 0 times. So 6 into 0, 0, and 0 minus 0, 0. So here you can see the quotient is 10.10. It means what is the cost of one ticket? The cost of one ticket is 10 rupees 10 paise. Now the fifth one. A drum costs rupees 27.25. I have rupees 20.50. Then how much more money do I need to buy this drum? See, in this statement it is given the cost of drum is 27 rupees 25 paise, right? But I have only 20 rupees 50 paise. Means I have the amount which is less than the cost of drum. So they asked to us, how much more money do I need to buy this drum? Now to find out the amount we need more, we need to take the difference of these two amount. Children, here you can see the difference, and the difference comes 6.75. It means I need 6 rupees 75 paise more to buy this drum, which costs rupees 27.25. And now the last. I spent rupees 7.50 and I have 7.50 left with me. Then how much money did I have in the beginning? See, in this statement it is given amount spent. How much it is? 7.50, that is 7 rupees 50 paise. And amount left, again 7 rupees 50 paise. Then how much money did I have in the beginning? Now to find out the amount we have in the beginning, we need to add the amount spent and amount left. So here you can see the addition, and addition comes 15.00. 15.00 is same as 15 rupees. So how much money did I have in the beginning? 15 rupees.